court of trial, all rise. RTC Branch 11 is now in session. Honorable Clyde Balugbog presiding.
Thank you. You may all be seated.
The court is now in session. We call on case number 1469, People of Bansalan versus Maria Wendelin Gian is now in session.
Is the prosecution ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is the defense ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
We will now hear the opening statement of the prosecution.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, my name is Roy Ching Ramos and this is my co-counsel, Renimar Storco. We represent the municipality of Bansalan today, and today you will hear how Maria Wendelin Gian, the defendant of this case, broke into the store of young Realin Leorando, will prove that she was trespassing, and Your Honor, this is why we ask of a verdict of guilty. Thank you.
Does the defense would like to give an opening statement, or you would like to be firm until the prosecution rests this case?
We will like to give our opening statement now, Your Honor.
You may.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the court, my name is Christine Jane Aurelio, and this is my co-counsel Addison Vasquez. Today we are representing the defendant Maria Wendelin Gian in the case of the people of Bansalan versus Maria Wendelin Gian. She is being accused of breaking into Ria's store, even though she was clearly at a party that night. She never broke into Ria's store. Your Honor, we ask for verdict of not guilty.
Thank you, counsel. Will the prosecution call their first witness?
Yes, Your Honor. Prosecution would like to call on Realin Leorando to the stand.
Miss Realin Leonardo, please take the stand.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I will.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Your Honor, may I begin my line question?
You may proceed.
Miss Witness, please introduce yourself.
My name is Raylene Llorando and I am a store owner.
Would you tell us about your profession as a store owner?
Well, I own the store since 2020 and I am the one who managed it.
On February 14, what did you see when you arrived at the store?
I saw a lady broke into my store with a tattoo on the right arm and I figured it out that it was Miss Gian.
Who do you think that the person was?
Miss Gian.
That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Does the defense would like to cross?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Miss Realin, were there any surveillance camera in your store?
No, there were none.
Then how did you know it was Miss Gian?
She has the same tattoo and hairstyle as the one I saw who broke into my store.
That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Would the prosecution like to redirect?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may proceed.
Miss Realin, how many people do you know who has the same tattoo as Miss Gian?
Only Miss Gian.
That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Would the defense like to cross?
No, Your Honor.
Miss Realin, you may go back to your seat now. Does the prosecution have any more witnesses to call?
No, Your Honor. The prosecution rests.
Thank you, counsel. Will the defense please call the first witness?
The defense called Maria Wendelin Gian to take the stand.
Miss Gian, please take the stand.
Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Your Honor, may I begin my line of question?
You may.
Please state your name for the benefit of the court.
My name is Maria Wendelin S. Gian.
And where? Were you on the day of the accused break-in happened?
I was at the party.
Do you remember anything at the party?
Nothing.
That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, Counsel. Does the prosecution like to cross?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may begin.
Miss Gian, can you just repeat what you remember from the night of your party you were at?
I don't remember anything.
Is that because you broke into the store?
I don't know.
Do you know if you broke into the store?
Not really.
That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, Counsel. Would the defense like to redirect?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may begin.
Just state you remember anything, do you?
No.
So you could have been at the party the entire time?
Absolutely yes.
That is all, Your Honor.
Thank you, Counsel. Does the prosecution like to recross?
Briefly, Your Honor.
You may begin.
Miss Gian, why was it that you could not remember what was going on the night?
Maybe I drank too much that night and passed out, but I can surely understand where I was that time.
That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, Counsel. Miss Gian, you may sit down. Does the defense have any more witnesses to call?
No, Your Honor. The defense raised its case.
Thank you. We will now hear the closing statements of the behalf of the state.
Your Honor, today we have the burden of proof you saw Maria Wendelin Gian guilty of trespassing. Our witness, Rialyn Liorando, told us she saw Maria Wendelin Gian breaking the law. We ask for your verdict of guilty. Thank you.
Thank you, Counsel. Would you like to save any remaining time for rebuttal?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Defense, you may give your closing.
Thank you, may I begin?
Proceed.
Your Honor, today prosecution has greater proof and they have failed proving. Your Honor, they have not shown beyond reasonable doubt that Miss Maria Wendelin Gian did indeed break into Miss Rialyn Orlando store and being guilty of breaking and entering. As the prosecution has not proven this fact, we use not a guilty verdict. Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you.
All rise. The court will now be in recess while the judge deliberates. All rise. RTC Branch 11 is now in session. Honorable Clyde Balugbog presiding.
Thank you. You may be seated. In case number 1469, People of Bansalan versus Maria Wendelin S. Gian, I find Miss Gian not guilty of trespassing.
Can you please raise your right hand? Can you swear? You just swear. Sorry. Sorry. Wala pa.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Can you...
That's all, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. With the...
Can you please read?
Iwi man.